Onto the manufacturing, where the government has disbursed 3.5 billion shillings to micro, small and medium-sized enterprises in key value chains through the Kenya Development Corporations to boost manufacturing activity. A mid-term year review shows that increased lending has enabled small enterprises to expand operations, create jobs and enhance financial resilience. Additionally, 58,630 micro and small enterprises have been advanced capital over the past 2 years under the Financial Inclusion Fund.
Over the last 2 years, the government has rolled out incentives to attract investors to the manufacturing sector while providing affordable financing for micro, small and medium-sized enterprises. These efforts aim to increase exports, create employment opportunities, stimulate economic activity using local resources, and generate attractive returns for investors. According to the midterm review scorecard, the government remains on track to grow the contribution of the manufacturing sector from the current 7.6% to 20% of the GDP by the year 2030. To enhance manufacturing, the government is constructing county aggregation and industrial parks that are expected to enhance value addition, aggregation, and manufacturing, driving economic development across the country. Trade performance has also improved, with exports to the East African community rising 226.4 billion shillings in 2022 to 305.8 billion shillings in 2025. This growth has been driven by resolution of trade barriers affecting tea and other commodities within EAC, COMESA, and African Continental Free Trade Area, streamlining customs, documentation, and harmonizing standards, as well as implementation of the tripartite free trade area. In July 2024, Kenya secured permanent tariff-free access to the €18 trillion European Union export market. Additionally, the Kenya-UAE trade agreement signed in January 2025 unlocked opportunities for agricultural exports such as meat, horticulture, flowers, and other products into the $5 billion UAE market. Wairi Mujenga for Prime Edition.